Yo, 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 what's going on, everybody? You know what time it is, man. Today's hottest stocks on the market, stocks, crypto, and everything in between. It's your boy Tab, man. Let's get straight to it. First bang on the list, we got QQQ. I dropped a video for you guys today. I let you know my thoughts on it. I thought it was coming down to retest the 529, and if it couldn't break that 529, like I said in the video, it would go down even lower. And that's what we're going to see. And that's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow for the Qs, you guys. I'm looking for it to come down and retest this key level right here. This 524.23 between 524.23 and 524.25. And I'll be looking to get in the call options from 524.25 to 529. I do believe that we need to see another candle like this one that is on the charts right here before we actually see a break through this barrier. Okay, it needed to happen right here, right? It had to come down and retest the 20-day EMA before it could push through the $29. And I think we're going to need to see that pattern again because we haven't had enough times in this area to think otherwise. History repeats itself, you guys. This is analytics, and we're going to analyze these charts. Getting into the next banger, the SPY. All the people making money on the SPY, put a SPY down there in the chat. Let them know what's going on down in the comments. The SPY, hey, I ain't gonna lie. I've been started messing with the SPY, and I've had plenty of opportunity to get in the SPY or any other, any other index for that reason. But I'm actually going to start really trading the SPY. I like the SPY's levels. I like how consistent this stock is, right? And so I can gauge from it some good price action. And going into tomorrow, I think the SPY is going to fake people out. I think a lot of people are going to be seeing this RSI overbought. They're going to be like, oh man, the SPY is coming down. The SPY is coming down. Man, on an hour level, the SPY has support at $6.52, and it's got support down there at 5.98. And on the 4 hour level, the SPY, right, on all hour levels, managed to close above a key level of resistance, right? And when it has done this in the past, it has shown us that she takes off. And so tomorrow, I am, and not only that, but we got our RSI at 54 for the 12 hour. We got our MACD under the histogram, and we got it over the signal line, indicating a bullish trend, a change in the trend. I believe going into tomorrow, I want to see the SPY stay at 601, maybe 600, to try to trick some people, bringing that RSI down lower on this 10-minute chart. Let me get a better entry. All right. I will try to get calls for the SPY tomorrow at $6. That's what I'm going to be looking to get in. If I get into the call tomorrow at SPY, I'll be looking to get in at $6. And I'm a believer that the SPY will, if it, I really do believe that the SPY has every opportunity to go to 609 by the end of the day tomorrow. There's a lot of bullishness in the market. It's a lot of bullish activity. It had a $4 swing today. If it has a $4 swing to the upside, the buyers will pick up, and we will start to see this take off, you guys. So tomorrow, that's what I'm looking for. $600 target entry for that. Dow Jones, we called it DIA, got into the calls on the early seat for next Friday. We got in at 432 for the 437 calls, and they are rocking. That's the thing about it, man. I really started getting into these intrinsic value options and stuff like that. And I had to say that there's more money in the wait and the patience and the execute than there is in the quick and easy overnight. But everyone has their own niche. This just happens to be mine. And going into the Dow, you guys, I'm very, very bullish on the Dow. I am. The 12 hour, we're at 46. We have a lot of room to go on our MACD. On our day chart, are still under over. So we are getting that curvature and that sell off that we need. Look how beautiful the sell off is. Oh man, this is setting up to be a massive run, and I'm hoping to be in the early seats going into next week on this. There is still opportunity for this call. We have closed above we have closed at our support, right? We closed above our resistance, which was at 432.83. And so tomorrow we're looking to ride that to the 436 resistance. Hopefully, like it has done in the past, it breaks through this level, and I'm just going to delete it. But I got it. I got that there, you guys, for real. because it's my area to let me know if I want to potentially get out. But in the past, man, there's not that much time in this, right? It just goes right through it, comes through right through it, rips right through. See, you know what I mean? I'm hoping not to see no consolidation tomorrow. I want to break into the channel, and then I want to get into this channel, right? The 436 to 451 channel. If we can close that channel tomorrow and we can get into those early seats, you guys get ready because we're going to make a lot of money on those call options. IWM. IWM looking at the 12-hour chart, looking like it wants to make a bullish reversal. And that might be, sentiment. We have crossed the 20-day EMA. That's a nice sign for me. I like to see that. Hey, close on that other side of the gap and head to the top. I love it, right? You guys know if you're watching the channel, you know what we do. When we close the 20-day EMA, we take off from there every time. You close below it, you go down. You close above it, you go up. It's not hard, baby. All it is patience, understanding, and execution. And we're going to make it happen. Going into tomorrow, you guys, I'm looking at the IWM calls, okay? And we're already coming off clean off that support, right? We're coming off clean on our daily. We're oversold. Our 42-hour side, we're ready to boot. We're ready to go. 12-hour, we indicated a trend reversal. This is imperative, you guys. It's imperative. So let's break it down on a 4-hour chart and see where we're at. On a 4 hour, we're looking like we're going to reverse. So I would like to see in the first 4 hours going from now until tomorrow morning. Okay, that's the time frames I want to see. The 8 hours in between that. I like to see the IWM come down and bring down this 30-minute chart, bring this 30-minute chart all the way down to oversold, right? Because we're overbought, you guys, on everything from the 4 hour up. So, but on the 1 hour down, we are completely oversold, or we're overbought on everything from the 1 hour down and oversold on everything from the 4 hour up. We need to see that Bollinger Band tighten up, and the only way to do that is to get some capitulation or some good consolidation. But consolidation gives hint to the market and to the guys like me that we're looking for that swing that I'm eyeing. So if I get consolidation or a little bit of capitulation, I'll be looking to get into IWM calls tomorrow, guys, between 218 and 220. All right, everybody. That's all I got for you. I appreciate y'all tuning in with me. Y'all have a great night. Peace.